Hello friends, today we will learn what is Python package and how to create and import it inside another file or folder. So let's start friends. In our previous video we have learned what is Python module. Basically Python module is the file with extension .py. So here we will learn what is Python package. Package is basically the collection of all that modules we have created previously. Collection of modules. Suppose we have created many modules inside our program, it will increase the size of our application program. So we can prefer to store all these modules inside a single file which called as a package. So we can place similar modules in one package and different module in different packages. Friends, this package directory should contain a file which name as __ init__.py, which can be also called as constructor, which shows that this particular file we have created is considered as Python package. This init.py file can be empty file, and we can also initialize it with a code. So friends, this init.py file can be used to consider our file as Python package. Here friends, let's learn Python package with simple example of game developing. Let's create a Python package. So I will come here in my folder as package example. So here I will create a Python package with folder as and giving it name as game. Open this file, and to recognize this game folder as a Python package, I will create here init.py file. So right click and open this file, this folder in code. Let's create a file inside this game folder. So friends, I will create here __init.py file. So this file will considered as interpreter consider this file as Python package, and this folder can also be empty, or you can write code to initialize the file. Now I am create a sub package inside this game package. So let's create another folder which name as image, which is a sub package inside game package. Another adds sound. So friends, to develop a game we require a sound, image, and to select levels we will create folder inside game as level. We can give a level as easy, moderate, or high. To consider all these three subfolders or sub packages as package, we will create a init.py file inside this image package also. So init.py, let's copy this and create inside a level and a sound also. So Python interpreter consider these three sub folders as sub packages. Now I will create we can create as many as possible modules inside these sub packages. I will create only one module inside this level sub package. So select this and create a file module and which name is start.py start.py, which will we have used to select a difficulty level. So let's create a function inside this start.py file. To create function, define a select difficulty. So this is the code I have written, friends. So let's save and run this code. Let's see the output. Yes, here is the output. So we have to basically select the difficulty level. So I have write here which I write here from easy, moderate and high. Now user will give the input. So suppose I select easy and then press enter. So my level is easy level is set. Now this is the module I created. So now we will discuss how to import this particular module which is start.py and function is the function select difficulty inside start module. How we can import it in another file. So let's save this file and close this window. Now I am going to create here I am going to open this file by right clicking inside the particular path. Now here is our game file, inside which there is image, level and sound, and inside level there is one module I have stored. Now I am creating a new folder inside this package file. So here I create demo.py where we will import this start.py. This is the file, and import start module using a dot operator. So here we have to write import game. First there is a package which is game, then dot, and we have to import this start from level. So dot level is a sub package which is stored in game file. So write level dot start file contains a function. So here we have imported the start, and then we have to take this function from start. So let's write game dot level dot start, and then we have to write this function. We will import the select difficulty function from start. So right here select difficulty. So the function inside a start.py file will be automatically imported into the this demo.py file. So we have to save it and run this file to check the output. So here friends, there is the same output as when we run the start.py file. So here we have to write an input as easy. We will select difficulty level from easy, moderate and high. I have select easy, and let's see output. So here is the friend, our output is set as easy, which will same as the when we running the start.py file. So friends, this is the first way to import the uh, module inside the another file. There is another way to import this file. We have to write, we have not to write all this stuff, so we only write from game.level import start. So we can now call the function simply as follows. Let's write start dot select difficulty. Here, now save it and run the code. And here is the output. So select high this time, and our output is set level as high. So in this way friends, we can import the module from sub directory, sub package into the another folder. So thank you friend.